Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, the best camera phones under PKR 40,000 for 2024. If you're passionate about capturing incredible photos and videos without splurging on a flagship phone, then you're in the right place. From stunning portrait shots to night photography, we've rounded up the top budget-friendly phones that bring premium camera quality within reach. So whether you're a budding photographer or just love snapping photos, stick around, you're going to love what we've got for you. 1. Realme 10 Pro Plus. Camera specs. The Realme 10 Pro Plus comes equipped with a powerful 108-megapixel primary camera, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The front-facing camera is a solid 16-megapixel, producing high-quality selfies with sharp details. Image quality. Realme's 108-megapixel sensor captures crisp, highly detailed images with excellent color accuracy. The large sensor performs well in low light, with an advanced night mode that reduces noise and improves clarity. The 2-megapixel macro sensor lets you get close-up shots, though it's not as sharp as the primary lens. Video. Realme 10 Pro Plus supports up to 4K video recording at 30 FPS, offering smooth and detailed video capture with decent stabilization, which works well for handheld video recording. Other features. AI enhancements for HDR photos, built-in beautification features, and specialized filters make it ideal for a wide range of photography styles. Pros. Excellent image quality in all lighting conditions, great stabilization in video recording, and impressive detail in high-resolution shots. Cons. Macro lens is underwhelming, lacks an ultra-wide option. 2. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Camera specs. The Redmi Note 12 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro camera. The front camera is 16-megapixel, delivering detailed and clear selfies. The image quality. The 50-megapixel camera produces clear images with a good dynamic range and accurate colors. The ultra-wide lens adds versatility, capturing more in each shot, which is especially useful for landscapes. Low light performance is decent, though not as detailed as other models. Video. It supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS with EIS electronic image stabilization, helping to reduce shake. However, stabilization may struggle in more dynamic settings. Other features. HDR mode enhances color depth, and AI-driven scene recognition tailors settings automatically to match the scene. Pros. Strong image quality with an ultra-wide option, good dynamic range, and decent low-light performance. Cons. Limited macro lens performance, occasional instability in video stabilization. 3. Infinix Zero 20. Camera specs. The Infinix Zero 20 features a 108-megapixel primary camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The front camera is a unique 60-megapixel with OIS, aimed at users who enjoy capturing high-quality selfies and vlogs. Image quality. With the 108-megapixel sensor, the Infinix Zero 20 captures detailed photos with vibrant colors. The ultra-wide lens performs well in daylight, although it struggles slightly in low light. The standout 60-megapixel front camera delivers some of the best selfies in this price range, and OIS aids in capturing stable video. Video. The Zero 20 supports 4K video recording on both the rear and front cameras, a rare feature in this range. It's ideal for vloggers looking for a budget-friendly device. Other features. It comes with AI-enhanced night mode, HDR, and beautification settings that add versatility to photography. Pros. Excellent front camera for selfies, stable video with OIS, versatile camera options. Cons. Ultra-wide sensor underperforms in low light, occasionally slow processing speed in high-resolution photos. 4. Samsung Galaxy A24. Camera specs. The Galaxy A24 has a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The front camera is 13-megapixel. Image quality. Samsung's A24 delivers excellent color accuracy and vibrant colors in daylight. The 50-megapixel primary camera is great for detail and clarity, while the ultra-wide lens provides a broader perspective. In low-light scenarios, the performance is moderate with some noise. Video. Capable of recording 1080-pixel video, it includes EIS for stabilization, which works decently for basic recording. However, it lacks 4K recording capabilities. Other features. Samsung's camera app offers Pro Mode, HDR, and customizable settings, making it easier to adjust shots as needed. Pros. Reliable color accuracy, decent low-light capabilities, user-friendly interface. Cons. No 4K recording. Macro lens is basic, less advanced than the competition. 5. Vivo Y36. Camera specs. The Vivo Y36 features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The front camera is 16-megapixel, offering good selfie quality. Image quality. The primary sensor on the Vivo Y36 delivers sharp photos with a solid dynamic range, Its performance in daylight is impressive, but low light shots introduce some noise. The macro sensor is average but can be useful for occasional close-ups. Video: the Y36 can record up to 1080 pixel videos, which might fall short for users looking for higher resolution, but the stabilization works decently in standard settings. Other features: Vivo's AI features such as Super HDR, portrait mode, and built-in filters enhance the photographic experience, catering to those who enjoy tweaking their photos. Pros: good daylight performance, impressive front camera, solid dynamic range. Cons: limited to 1080 pixel video, basic macro and depth sensors, occasional low light issues. Conclusion: best overall camera: the Realmi 10 Pro Plus takes the top spot for its impressive 108 megapixel primary camera, 120Hz AMOLED display, and overall photo and video quality. Best for selfies and vlogging: the Infinix Zero 20 stands out due to its 60 megapixel front camera with OIS, making it ideal for selfie enthusiasts and vloggers. Best for versatile photography: the Redmi Note 12 Pro offers solid rear camera performance, especially with its ultra-wide and macro lenses, suitable for those who need a multi-purpose camera. Thanks for watching our review on the best camera phones under PKR 40,000 in 2024. Whether you're looking for crisp detail, low-light performance, or a selfie powerhouse, we've covered a phone to suit your needs. Let us know which one you're excited to try out in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more budget-friendly tech reviews. See you in the next one.